Yo, how's everyone? This is Jai from Fish Hub. Today I'm going to test out this deep dive crankbait. I want to test out in 3 different speed, slow, medium, and fast, and see how the fish likes it. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's start with a slow crank. Let's see how we do. Okay, now let's do the medium crank. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now let's go fast and burn it. Let's see how they like it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me.